जब खतरे में सबकी जान है, सारे डॉक्टर्स अब महान हैं। रास्तों पर खाकी वर्दी पहने उन सारे पुलिस वालों को मेरा सलाम है। खेलते थे जहां पर बच्चे, वीरान अब वो मैदान है। निकलेंगे नहीं घर से बाहर, जान है तो जहान है। लड़ेंगे एक साथ मिलकर, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है। मेरा भारत महान है।
Hello everyone.
નમસ્તે.
કેમ છો બધા?
Today we celebrate true heroes, those who are making ultimate sacrifice to keep us all safe and healthy. To doctors, to nurses, to police officials and all others in the front line away from their families taking care of ours. We continue to pray for your safety and thank you all for your selfless services. God bless you all.
कोरोना एक जानलेवा बीमारी है जो कभी भी किसी को भी हो सकती है। इस बीमारी को हराने की जंग में आप आपका बहुमूल्य योगदान दें और अपने छोटे से प्रयास से भारत को रोग मुक्त और स्वस्थ बनाएं।
કે આપ સૌ પોતપોતાના ઘરમાં સુરક્ષિત હતો। કોરોના વાયરસની આજે ભયાનક બીમારી ફેલાઈ રહી છે, તે માટે આપણે બધાએ એકજૂટ થઈ અને લડવાનું છે અને એનો સામનો કરવાનો છે। આપણે પોતાની જાતને તો સુરક્ષિત રાખવાનું છે, પણ સાથે સાથે આપણે નિયમોનું પાલન કરી આપણે આપણા શહેર, આપણો દેશ અને આ પૃથ્વીને પણ સુરક્ષિત રાખવાની છે। તે માટે હું સૌને અપીલ કરું છું કે નિયમોનું પાલન કરો અને જે નથી કરતા તેમની પાસે કરાવો।
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
We have never seen God, but due to this COVID-19 situation, I came through such a legend people who served as God to many human beings. But one I want to thank is known as biggest donor of India. And yes, he is Azim Premji, who has donated $134 million. And he always says that if God has given us wealth, then we should must think about others. And second is Larsen and Turbo Company, who has donated 150 crore. I want to thank them from our Indian society. Thank you and Jai Hind.
मैसेज देना है टू वन एंड ऑल, 20 सेकंड तक करना डेटॉल। हाथों को अपने साबुन से धोना, छूटे नहीं कोई भी कोना। आगे से पीछे से ऊपर से नीचे से लेफ्ट राइट, जीतेंगे ये फाइट।
Wash your hands properly. Wash fruits and vegetables in hot water with baking soda. Sanitize your hands. Wear gloves. Wear mask. And let's go to water the plants. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Mehak Thakkar. As you all know that we are going through a really hard time right now. I want you all to stay home and stay safe and not panic. You can exercise, eat healthy food, meditate, get a new hobby, cook with your family members, learn a new language and keep yourself distracted. Taking stress will do you no good, and if you feel alone, then you can always go talk to your family members or friends through video call. Stay safe, stay home, and always remember that hard times will go away.
Hi, today we have with us Dr. Ramesh Patel, who is a consulting surgeon. Hi sir, I hope you're doing well.
Oh, I am good. Thank you, Pooja. How are you?
I'm good sir, thank you. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for sparing time from your busy schedule.
You're welcome, Pooja.
Okay, sir, recently you were part of Committee of Indian Council of Medical Research. Can you tell us something about the meeting? What was the meeting about?
ICMR is Indian Council of Medical Research, which governs the whole program which controls corona disease throughout the country. ICMR gives guidelines to all states how to proceed with this situation. I was part of that committee, and recently they have given guidance of trace, track, and test. So we have to trace the patient, we can track them, and then we have to test the whole population which is in doubt.
Oh, so looking at the present situation where everyone is panicking, do we have a cause to be optimistic about the whole situation?
Yes, one has to be optimistic, definitely, because we are aware of the disease.
Yeah.
Those who are not aware, they can be in a scary situation. But when we know the disease, we are going to control it. If not controlled, then we are going to develop herd immunity, I would say, which can fight with the disease. So we are not going to kill this virus. It is not possible. But we are going to learn ourselves how to live with this corona. And yesterday, the situation was like that we have controlled the disease in such a manner that about 18,000 less patients are here in the States if we had not controlled the disease previously.
Oh, okay.
So one has to be optimistic. The situation is going to be improved, and we all will learn how to live with corona.
So, sir, can you enlighten us about what treatments were used on patients who have recovered from COVID-19?
Yes, it's like a treatment we give to common cold. Similarly, there is an attack of virus. So all the organs which are suffering, we give symptomatic treatment, and we have to see that the situation should not worsen. These days, hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin, they are on trial and they give good results. Even the plasma therapy also, it is on, and plasma therapy gives good results. So that's a kind of treatment these days.
Okay, so sir, like patients who have recovered from coronavirus, you mean to say they won't get affected by the disease again?
Yes, that is the presumption that the patient who has recovered, he has developed the immunity towards the disease. So the plasma, the blood which is moving in his body, it has full immunity power to fight out the disease. So we take out the plasma from them and we give trial to the patient who is suffering.
Okay.
There's no definite evidence that it's going to be negative all throughout, but in present scenario, the plasma therapy gives good results.
Okay. Sir, I would like to thank you on behalf of Roop's family. I hope you stay safe and your family too. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you.
In this critical situation, there are certain remedies which helps us to increase our immunity power, such as first, we should eat low-carb diets which helps us to control high sugar and pressure. Second, drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated. Third, drink juices made of citrus fruit and coconut water to beat the heat. Fourth, you can eat probiotics like yogurt and other fermented food for nutrient absorption of the body. Fifth, homemade remedies like kadha, which includes amla, adrak and haldi, which helps us to increase our immunity power and also helps us all to fight this COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Industrialist, philanthropist, and former chairman of Tata Sons and chairman of Tata Group for donating rupees 1,500 crore, and would also like to thank well-known Bollywood actor Mr. Akshay Kumar for donating rupees 25 crore in support of India against coronavirus. Thank you very much. Jai.
नमस्ते, myself तन्वी सिद्धपुरा। कोरोना तेरे आने से पता चला आजादी क्या होती है। ना पढ़ाई होती है, ना कोई क्लास होते हैं, ना दोस्तों के साथ खेलने मिलता है, ना घूमने मिलता है। कोरोना तेरे आने से पता चला आजादी क्या होती है। घरों में बंद हैं हम सब और अपनी जान को जोखिम में डालकर फर्ज निभा रहे हैं वो सब। कोरोना तेरे आने से पता चला आजादी क्या होती है। ना कोई काम पे जाता है, ना किसी के घर में चूल्हे जलते हैं, ना गरीबों को खाना मिलता है। पर कोरोना तुझे भगाएंगे हम और भारत देश को कोरोना मुक्त बनाएंगे हम। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। जय हिंद।
We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Every effort counts. Each contribution matters in this phase of life. And so, I, Parisha Patel, would like to thank Mukesh Ambani, Chairman and Managing Director of Reliance Industries Limited, for a contribution of 500 crores to Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund, and also for donating rupees 5 crore each to Gujarat and Maharashtra's Chief Minister Relief Fund. How can I forget to thank Mankind Pharma for a contribution of 51 crores to various states' Chief Minister Relief Fund. Thank you.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
World Health Organization is leading and coordinating the global efforts of the combat of COVID-19, securing countries to prevent, detect and respond to this pandemic. World Health Organization's Contingency Fund for Emergencies, which is CFE, has and continues to play a critical role in such outbreaks, including the new coronavirus outbreak. They are carrying out millions of tests for rapid identifying the cases. For this, they have provided the best personal protective equipments to the health workers so that they are safe and prevent the cross infections. They are working with the world to keep each and every citizen safe. This needs lot of efforts. For this, Group School thanks the whole team of World Health Organization for their effort and endurance. Dil se thank you.
Before we go, we would like to thank everyone,
Starting with the healthcare workers in India and around the world who are rising to meet this challenge in such incredible and heroic way. We see it and hear it every day.
we want to especially thank the scientists and the researchers who are working around the clock.
People providing essential services like meals and groceries so the society can keep going.
And everybody doing their part, staying home. You're absolutely saving lives.
So everyone everywhere, please be safe. It's all gonna be alright if everybody stays strong and stays inside. You're surely going to get through this.
Jai Hind.
Jai